YouTube, welcome to Cafe in Oma and welcome to our reaction to Sarah Brightman. We are going to react to the song Time to Say Goodbye. We did react to Time to Say Goodbye in the past as well. Sarah Brightman as well as Andre Bocelli. Right?
Yeah. So this
Lovely
is,
song.
I'm assuming this is Sarah Brightman all alone, all by
It
herself.
would be nice though.
With musicians, I'm assuming, singing Time to Say Goodbye, requested by Joseph. It is a first time single take honest reaction to this song.
This version, yes.
Assuming that it's only Sarah Brightman here and not Andre Bocelli.
When I am alone, I sit and dream, and when I dream, the words are missing. Yes, I know that in a room so full of light, that all the light is missing. When I don't see you with me, pull up the windows, bring the sun to my room through the door you've opened. Close inside of me the light you see that you met in the darkness. Time to say goodbye. Horizons are never fine. Would I have to find them alone without a light of my own? With you, I will go on ships of the seas that I don't know. Never exist anymore. It's time to say goodbye. When you are so far away, I sit alone and dream of the horizon. Then I know that you are here with me, building bridges over land and sea. Shine a blinding light for you and me to see, for us to be. Time to say goodbye. Horizons are never fine. Would I have to find them alone without a light of my own? With you, I will go on ships of the seas that I don't know. Never exist anymore. It's time to say goodbye. So with you, I will go on ships of the seas that I don't know. Never exist anymore. It's time to say goodbye. So with you, I will go.
Oh, wow.
Wow,
Double
wow.
applause for this one.
Yes.
Double applause.
Multiple applause.
Oh, beautiful.
Wow,
beautiful,
this is
beautiful.
dramatic. This is dramatic. The way it goes down, this is dramatic. I like the way she starts off like a normal singer. and then the way slowly she takes on to the opera, style. That was remarkable. You don't expect where the song begins that it is going to end like this. It was that powerful. It gets better and better and better. It takes you higher as you go along.
Oh, why haven't we heard more of this artist, Sarah Brightman?
Yes.
It once again highlights the tremendous amount of manipulation in the American music industry, unless she's English. It highlights the manipulation because she sounds amazing. I guess she would be top 10 for me for singing a song in this style, opera style. Top 10 female genre, easily. But I haven't heard anything else from her, so I don't know if she actually deserves to be in the top 10, in my opinion.
Okay.
And it's sad when you have such a gifted voice, a God-gifted voice. It's sad that you haven't heard much more of her. This is the second time I'm listening to her, if I'm not mistaken, and once again singing the same song. Hasn't she got a song of her own? Oh,
She could be singing in Italian. Being the
no,
opera
I
that
think
she can
I think
sing.
she's an American artist.
She
I
is?
remember
Okay,
the last time people saying she's an American artist
okay.
and being very proud of that fact in the comments.
Yeah, that's something to be proud of.
So it's sad. It's really sad. It highlights the tremendous amount of manipulation that exists in the American music industry and by the record labels that dominate the American music industry. The four of them. It highlights how well they manipulate things
Crush
so that they make more money, and musicians like Sarah Brightman don't stand much of a chance. Oh, it's sad. I've not heard of her. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous with a God-gifted voice like that. We haven't heard of her. I mean, not that, and if we haven't heard, being reactors and music lovers who've heard,
common people,
especially if someone like me who's heard more than 20,000 songs in his life, and maybe 70% of those songs are from UK and USA alone. So if I haven't heard of Sarah Brightman singing other songs, even once with a voice like that, I should have heard. That itself shows that most of the world who are totally ignorant at most times about these things and who don't listen to as much music as I do, or both of us do in the last 4 years, how will they ever hear about such musicians or singers? Sad. So much manipulation. It's just like the drug industry, it's just like the gun industry over there. It's totally criminal what is going on.
it's criminal to crush musicians like that.
Yeah, I mean, it's such a shame. If I was an artist like that, I would have possibly hung myself in shame of not being known despite having such a great voice. I would have hung myself in shame. I wouldn't kill myself, I would hang myself. With so much manipulation that exists. Oh God. When will this manipulation stop? Just to line their own pockets. When will this manipulation stop? When will senseless lives be, murders, deaths be stopped or prevented in that part of the world? Thanks to all these people who manipulate industries and kill real talent in the process. Oh, I could be wrong though. Please let me know in the comments if Sarah Brightman has any other good songs. I would definitely like to hear them, if not react to them in my own time. Artists like these deserve a good break.
This was requested by our patron Joseph. Seems like Joseph
I
has
mean,
a good ear
just for an
for a
example,
voice.
just as an example, Whitney Houston, even in her prime, may not be able to sing this song like this.
Yeah, no.
Even Mariah
You
Carey.
can't say that.
Even Mariah Carey. So many of the singers we've heard, they wouldn't be able to stand a chance when it comes to singing
I can also
a song like
put
this.
in my favorite singer, Karen Carpenter as well. None
Yeah,
of these singers.
they wouldn't be
don't
able to
have
sing
this ability.
Yeah, maybe Celine Dion. Celine Dion would possibly ace this.
She can. Yeah.
But not Mariah Carey, not Whitney Houston, even in their prime. Not Madonna, for heaven's sake, keep her away from this.
She can't.
And don't give me Don't Cry For Me, Argentina, what she sang. It's pathetic. Anyway, that's it for this one.